All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I got a very short ride and review today. I'm going to a hot pot place for a friend's birthday. The place is called DOLAR Shop. It's over here in the East Village. The cool thing about this place is they do like the individual hot pots, so you don't have to share a big hot pot with everybody in your group. You get your own, you can pick your own flavor, spice levels, everything. It's funny, usually at these things I love the like the tofu skin and the mushrooms. It's so weird, I'm such a meat guy, but at these I love the veg. Chrysanthemum is another veg I like, lotus root. I don't know why, it's just a thing. And I love the spicy broth, Szechuan broth. So this place I think is on 3rd and like 11th. So I'm just gonna take the next right and I'll be there. Be there very shortly. Very short ride and review. And I see it up ahead. There's a little spot I can park too, which is cool. I know they have a spot out front. I checked it out on Google Maps before I took off for the day. It's a little bike lock. Oh, you're not gonna get the scallop? Cheers.
So like that one was like easier because I kind of like
yeah, see, I said it's like jelly celery. Yeah, 37.
60 items. 60. Spicy milk.
I do too.
What, Bibs?
Yeah, I'm going for a bit.
Oh, we have.
Oh man.
They should split it, but we may have.
These look the same.
let's just talk about it.
Yeah, so let's pass that down, I guess.
Ooh, the meat's arrived.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you want? Multiple layers?
I'm okay.
You sure?
Oh, that's the ribeye.
Lucy said she could eat all this herself.
Please.
The veggie tower.
Who else brought their life?
Excuse me. Thank you.
I think they didn't get those.
Yeah.
Give it to them.
Well, I think they gave it to us.
No, we gave it to them. Okay, give it back. Oh, they gave it
Is
back?
there room to put this in?
And then an hour later.
There's a slow bleed.
Here's the slow one. It's just green.
But
Yeah.
have you ever been to Chino?
I don't know.
Rob.
It was obvious.
All right, Dollar Shop. Place is great. I didn't really take any photos. I just figured I would do the video only in this joint. So usually I tell you jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the full review. I'll write a little something up, my thoughts, but for the most part, this video is it. Great quality stuff. I really like this place. Probably one of the better hot pots I've ever had. I also like 99 Favorite Taste down on Grand Street. But that's it. Thank you for watching. As always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.